Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be talking about Frost Master Private Limited. Here we go. Well, Frost Master Private Limited, established in the year 2021, specializes in the production of a wide range of ice cream machine, water cooler, sweet display counter, and Visi Cooler, bakery display counters, and other products. The organization acquires raw materials from reputable industry vendors to manufacture these products and ensure that they are of top quality. A large storage facility has been built to store our items, protecting them from any adverse effects. Why choose Frost Master Private Limited? The team members of Frost Master Private Limited collaborate closely in order to increase productivity and present valuable clients with the best and most exclusive range. Some of the elements that have contributed to its rapid success include well-equipped warehouse and infrastructure, prompt delivery, strong market recognition, economical prices, reliable vendor base for material, ethical business practices. Some of the exclusive products Frost Master Private Limited offers: under-counter refrigerator, sweet display counter, water cooler 50 liters, fried ice cream roll machines, Western hard top freezer, cake display counters, bakery display counter, Tawa ice cream roll machine, Frost Master deep fryer, Waffle corn maker, Fodor upright chillers, Chinese burner range. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.